So in total, we have about 20 tools, and so we have a nice variety of tools that can perform many different tasks. And basically all of these tools, they can help internet marketers improve certain aspects of their campaigns or of their business. So when we are creating campaigns, regardless of the type of campaigns, whether it is promoting e-commerce stores, CPA offers, t-shirts, whatever it is, we need many tools along the way to help us perform certain tasks. And with Affkit, your customers will have access to absolutely all of the tools that they will need for setting up their campaigns. So just to go through some of the tools, we have them divided in categories, but I'm going to click on all and show you all of the tools at once. So basically here we have an image resizer and cropper, image overlay, banner tweaker for split testing different banners and finding the winners. We have a tool for helping them find images that they can use with their campaigns, which is always a concern for people who are trying to create some nice eye-catching ads and do not know what image they should use. We have a tool for applying a glossy effect on the images. We have this is it intent pop-up, geo-redirection, geolocation, urgency timer, break-even calculator. This is a tool where people can put the information of their campaign, and it's going to help them find out what they have to improve and how they have to adjust their metrics to break even and turn a positive ROI with the campaigns. Email integration tool, iframer, especially for people doing CPA marketing, but also for other internet marketers. This can be very useful because you get to display your offers on an iframe and have more control over the traffic and the process. Landing page protection, dynamic elements. I'm going to show you this one in a minute and you will understand what this one can do. It's a very powerful one. Date and time, mobile detection, back button redirect, so that you can redirect people to a specific location using the back button. Mobile vibration. This is very important because when you were displaying an offer or something to a mobile user, you want to grab their attention, and using vibration can be a very powerful resource. When to cut lenders. This is basically a tool for helping people split test landing pages and find winners. Sporadic timer, which is another type of timer. And we have the lender sounds, which is very useful. Sounds that can grab people's attention on the landing page. This is especially useful for mobile campaigns, but it can be used with desktop as well. Okay, so let me show you some of the tools. For example, the Exit Pop-Up tool. I'm going to click here on Get Started. And as you can see here, you can customize an Exit Pop-Up. So you can, customize the time for the pop-up to be activated. You can customize the border, the color, the size, and a bunch of things. And here you can create the content of your Exit pop-up. Okay, and then here we have a preview button that allows you, let me actually go here, and it allows you to see how the pop-up is going to look like for the visitors. Okay, so then people just hit the apply script button here, and then they already get the code to put on their landing page. Very, very simple. Okay, let me show you another tool here that I think is very interesting as well, and that's going to be very, very useful for your customers. It is the Dynamic Elements tool. So basically, this one is going to allow your customers to apply certain animation effects on any object on their page. Not only text, but images, buttons, whatever it is, they can apply this effect on those elements. So let me show you just some of the effects available. You can look at the preview item here, just for you to see what kind of effects we have. So as you can see, there are many interesting ones. It's very nice for grabbing attention, for getting people to click on a call to action, for example, for getting people to click on a certain link or button on your page. This can be very, very useful. Okay, so we have a bunch of them here, but the point is that they can apply this to pretty much any element on their page, and it's very simple, everything very, very automated. Well, we have a bunch of tools here. Most of them are very easy to understand and understand how you can use them and how they can be useful. Like we have, for example, date and time here. Let me show just one more. We have all of them have these tutorial videos here that show people exactly how to use them and when to use them. So for example, people can use this one to display the date and time on their page. So they can choose the format, and then they can just hit the next button, get the code, and already implement the feature on their landing page. We have the counters as well. We have the urgency timer. Well, basically, it's a very complete kit for internet marketers with all of the tools that people will need to make their landing page more eye-catching, to get a better click rate with the ads, with the landing page, to improve the conversion rate of their campaigns, and to have more control over their campaigns as well. They're going to be able to have to use tools like, for example, the geo location or the geo redirection, which is going to allow them to, for example, send people from certain countries or certain locations to specific URLs, so they can have different offers with the same campaigns for people in different parts of the world, and they're going to have more control over their campaigns and going to be able to get more conversion